Yes, students. So here I am going to explain the question by my notebook here. You have to mention the date, exercise, question number properly, find the solution set of. Okay. Here I am going to explain through my notebook. But first we have to check that here is a variable written with 3. Okay. This is a coefficient. The 3 is multiplying with x and this plus 18 is there. What we have to do, we have to first we want to remove this 18 which is adding over here. What we have to do, we have to subtract 18 from both sides. So by subtracting 18 from both sides, we get what we get here. First we have to make here the symbol. We get 9 3x plus 18, right? We have to write minus 18 and here minus 18. So this plus 18 and minus 18 is going to be cancelled, right? And we get what? 9 minus 18 is minus 9. Okay. Why minus 9? Because the negative number is greater. Because 18 minus 9 is plus 9. So when minus 18, the negative number is bigger, we get the answer in negative. So we get minus 9 is greater than 3x. Okay. Now, because this 3 is multiplying over here. So by dividing 3, only 3, not minus 3, because there is no negative sign over here. If there is a negative sign with 3x, then we will write by dividing minus 3 on both sides. Okay, on both sides we get what we get here, right? We get like this. So this 3 into 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3 is going to be cancelled, right? Then what we get here, minus sign is going to be written. 3 ones are 3 and 3 threes are 9. We get 3 like this. Okay. Now, how can we read this? Beta, we have to read it from here. Look it in the question. Here we have not changed the sign of inequality because there is no sign of negative. There is no negative sign with the variable. So here x is greater than minus 3. X is greater than minus 3. So hence solution set x is equal to curly bracket open. X is greater than minus 3 means minus 2, minus 1, 0 and so on. Okay, students, if here is written, listen, is it clear? The solution set is clear. First what we have to do, let me tell you again. In this question, plus 18 is there, so we have to subtract 18 from both sides. Okay, by subtracting this 18, plus 18 and minus 18 will be cancelled. Okay, 9 minus 18 is minus 9, we get 3x. Okay, now this 3 is multiplying, so we have written by dividing. If the number is multiplying, we have to write by dividing. If the number is adding, we have to write by subtracting. Okay, if number is adding over here, we have to write subtracting. If the number is subtracting, we have to write by adding 18 on both sides. Are you getting me? So by dividing 3 on both sides, we get this, and we have to read from the variable that x is greater than minus 3. So the solution set is like this. If it is written that, for example, if it is written that x is less than minus 3, for example, x is less than minus 3, then what will be the solution set? Minus 4, minus 5 and so on. I hope that now these questions are properly clear to you, right? So, okay, the modulus function. Thank you, Asya. Thank you, Abir, Aman. Good. So, bete, next is the modulus function. In mathematics, the absolute value or modulus of a real number x is denoted like mod x. Mod x means here you can see that x is there, x x is written with these vertical lines, and these vertical lines are called mod. Okay, this is called mod. Okay, in mathematics, absolute value or modulus of the real number x, it is denoted by mod x. It's a non-negative value of x without regarding to its sign. Okay, namely mod x is equals to x if it is positive, mod x is equals to minus x if it is negative. Okay, for example, my dear, here if I say that mod x is equal to 3, for example, okay, if mod x is equals to 3, then if we remove the mod, here we get two signs over here, plus 3 and minus 3. Okay, here x, here this value, here this x can be either plus 3, it can either be plus 3, or it can either be minus 3. Okay, okay, when we are applying the mod, what it happens, what it done, it represents the non-negative value of the x without regarding of its sign. Between mod x is equals to x if x is greater than 0. If x is greater, obviously when x is greater than 0, the values are positive. That means 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. When x is less than 0, that means the value of x is negative. Here the value of x is negative when x is less than 0. So simply, what is the meaning of mod? When there is a mod, for example, the question is mod x is equals to 3. How can we solve it? When we remove these mods, we get the sign of plus minus with this 3. Okay? When we remove the mod from here with the variable, we get the plus minus sign with here with our, on the right hand side we get the plus minus sign. Okay, for example, let's discuss the question. Okay, for example, here mod x is equals to 2. How can we solve it? It is clear. Okay, thank you, Aisha. Aisha, mod x is equals to 2. How can we solve it? Because we know that when there is a mod shows you absolute value, non-negative values it's represent. So it can be possible that if x, mod x is equals to 2, so it is possible that it can happen that x value is either plus 2 or minus 2. So when we remove the mod, we get x is equals to plus minus 2. That's it. When we remove the mod from the x here in the question, when we remove the mod on the right hand side, we get the plus minus sign. So we get plus minus 2, plus minus 2. So hence the solution set x is equal to curly bracket open minus 2 and plus 2, minus 2 and plus 2. For example, Ramla, if here 3 is written over there, okay, then when we remove the mod, we get plus minus 3, and we get the solution set here 3, minus 3 and minus 3 and plus 3. Is it clear? Within the curly bracket, because it's a solution set. Is it clear? Is it clear? Okay, okay. Now the next question, bete. Bete, in this question, mod 1 over 4x is equal to 8. So step number 1. Okay, you can write in your notebook as well. What I'm explaining you can write down in the notebook as well. So Maya, bete, in this question you can see the mod on the left hand side. When you remove the mod, okay, when you remove the mod, you get what you get by removal of mod. When you remove the mod here, when you remove the mod here, because on the left hand side there is everything is written inside the mod. So when you remove the mod, you get 1 over 4, 1 over 4x, okay, is equals to what will happen on the right hand side, we get plus minus 8, we get plus minus 8, right, we get plus minus 8. Okay, by removal of mod we get x over 4. Bete, 1 over 4, when we multiply 1 with x, we get x ones are x over 4. You can also write in this way. uh, it doesn't matter, you can write like this way, that 1 over 4x, right. I have written x ones are x over 4. Is it clear? Is it clear, Bete? So by removal of mod, simply we get plus minus sign. Okay, this is a step number one. What is the step number one? Remove the mod first, and by removal of mod, you get plus minus sign. That's it. Okay, now here in this question, this 4 is dividing over here. This 4 is dividing over here. So first we have to remove this 4 from the left hand side. So is it so simple to remove the 4 from this side? Here you can see that plus minus sign is there. That means this x over 4 is equal to there. Here we can solve this equation in two ways. Bete, either this x upon 4 is equals to minus 8, okay, because there is a plus minus 8. X upon 4 is equals to either minus 8 or x upon 4 is equal to plus 8. Okay, okay, in this question x upon 4 is equals to plus and minus 8. So here what we have to do, we have to draw the line in the center. We have to first write x upon 4 is equals to minus 8, x upon 4 is equals to plus 8. Why we are doing it? So Jay Kumar, please don't do this, beta, avoid doing this. Okay, so here in this question, first what we have to do, beta, here we have written x upon 4 is equals to minus 8, and x upon 4 is equals to, here x upon 4, here draw the line here in the center, you get x upon 4 is equals to minus 8 and x upon 4 is equals to plus 8. Now first solve here, you can solve here the left part. First draw the line in the center. Now in this part, this 4 is dividing over here. Okay, x upon 4 is there, that means this 4 is dividing, so multiplying 4 on both sides. Now the same process we have to repeat, that 4 is going to be multiplied, we get 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, we get x, right. And minus 8 into 4 is 8 fours are 32 with minus sign. Is it clear? Now x upon 4 is equals to 8 plus 8. Okay, we know that plus sign, there is no need to write plus sign over here. When there is no sign, that means this is a plus sign. Okay, so this 4 is dividing over here, so we have to write multiplying 4 on both sides. By multiplying 4 on both sides, 4 and 4 is cancelled on the left hand side, and what we get, 8 fours are 32. Okay, so we get minus 32 and plus 32. So hence the solution set, x is equal to what? Hence we get the solution set x is equals to minus 32 and 32. Okay, minus 32 and 32. And student, one more thing, you can check your answers as well. Bete, if you put this minus 32 in this question, if you put the answer in the given question, what you will get, here you can see that mod 1 over 4 x की जगह we are going to write minus 32, minus 32. Okay Abhi, 4 ones are 4 and 4 eights are 32. 4 eights are 32. So here we get mod minus 8, and we know that the number which is written inside the mod, here the negative sign is there, and when the number is inside the mod we get the answer in plus. Okay, we get the non-negative values. When there is a mod, it gives you the non-negative value. So minus 8 if minus 8 is written inside the mod, we get the answer 8. It gives you absolute value, it gives you non-negative value. So here we get 8. So that means our answer is correct. Our answer minus 32 is correct. Now students, if you put plus 32 over here, you get 4 ones are 4, 4 eights are 32, plus 8, and mod, when there is plus 8 is written inside the mod, we get the answer 8. Again we get the correct. Here you can see on the right hand side 8 is there. That means our solution set is perfectly okay. Okay, it's correct. Is it clear? Thank you, Sheroz. Beta, thank you, Sheroz, Abir. Thank you so much. Now, the next question I'm explaining you, then we are going to start the classwork. Okay. Now, students, step number one. Okay. Keep remember in your mind what is the step number one. What is the step number one, students? First, what we have to do, we have to remove the mod. Okay, here you can see that x minus 3 is written inside the mod, so first we have to remove this mod. When we remove the mod, here we get what? Here we get plus minus 5. Here we get plus minus, okay, here we get plus minus 5. Is it clear? When we remove the mod, bete, when there is nothing written outside the mod on the left hand side, Jay Kumar, we have to remove the mod. Okay, we get x minus 3 is equals to plus and minus 5. Okay, then what we have to do, what we have to do, Afra, what we have to do, bete, Afra, in the next step, what we have to do, we have to draw the line in the center, and we have to write x minus 3 is equals to minus 5. First write down the negative number and then write down the positive number. Okay, x minus 3 is equals to minus 5, x minus 3 is equals to plus 5. Why we have written like so? Because here the plus minus sign is there. Afra, are you getting me or not? Here plus minus sign is there, so we get x minus 3 is equal to minus 5, and x minus 3 is equals to plus 5. So by adding 3 on both side, on the here on the left hand side you can see that x minus 3 is there. Okay, x minus 3 is there. So by adding 3 on both side, by adding here, look at this question, by adding 3 on both side, what will we get? This minus 3 and plus 3 is going to be cancelled. Minus 5 plus 3, beti negative number is greater, ठीक है ना, तो we get the minus sign. 5 minus 3, 5 minus 3 is 2. Okay, bete minus 5 plus 3, we get minus 2. Why? Because here the negative number is greater, so we get the negative sign. Okay, if 5 minus 3 is over there, we get plus 2. If minus 5 plus 3 is over there, we get minus 2. Is it clear or not? Now on the right hand side, by adding 3 on both side, we have to add 3 on both side. When we add 3 on both sides, this 3 is going to be cancelled. We get 5 plus 3 is equals to 8. We get 5 plus 3 is equals to 8. So here what will be the solution set, bete? What we get the solution set? Hence the solution set x is equals to minus 2 and 8. Now students, if I want to check that my answer is correct or not, I have to put the value of these two answers in the given question. Abir, if I put this value minus 2 over here, we get minus 2 and minus 3. Minus 2 and minus 3, and there is a mod. Okay, bete minus 2 minus 3. Sumaya, minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5. Jaykumar, am I right? Minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5. So whenever there is a negative number within the mod is written, we get the answer. It gives the answer in non-negative number. It gives you a non-negative value. So minus 5 mod gives you 5. That means it's our right hand side. Answer is correct. Now what happened if I put the value? If I put the value here, x value is 8. If I put this 8 over here, if I put this 8 over here, we get 8 minus 3 mod. 8 minus 3 is 5. So mod 5 is equals to, again mod 5 is equals to 5. That means our solution set is perfectly correct. You can check your answers as well. I hope that these three questions are clear. Abir, Jaykumar, everything is clear bete? Everything. Asia, Anamta, Hania, Fatma, Iman, bete, this is clear. Subhana, Sania, this is clear or not? Let's start the work bete. So question 145. So I want you to copy down question number 1 quickly. As this is an out of text question, I have to share these questions by myself. So please write down chapter number 4 out of text at the top. Write down question 145 quickly. Mention the date here. Write down, find the solution set of question number 1 is mod x is equals to 5. Mod x is equals to 5. Thank you, Iman. Thank you, Sanya, Ramla. Thank you, Beta Asya. Chaliye, let's start the work. So bete, mod x, when we remove the mod, what we get, when we remove the mod, we get on the right hand side plus minus sign, right? So hence the solution set x is equals to what? What will be the solution set? Okay, this is question number 1. Done, everybody? Done, everybody? Mod x, kindly copy down this question because I am going to share the next question on your screen. Today students, I'm going to give you homework, and again I'm going to give you, it will be uploaded just after the lecture. Homework for today is exercise 4.4 question 14 and 19. Okay, look at the homework for today, question 14 and 19 from the same exercise 4.4. Exercise 4.4, bete page number 75, exercise 4.4 question 14 and 19. This is a homework for today. Okay, this is a homework for today. Is it clear? Question 14 and 19 is your homework. It will be uploaded. Very good, Abir. Very good, Sumaya, Asya. Great. Bete, moving on towards the next question. So before moving on, let's discuss the answer. Here we get the answer. What will we get the answer? Here we get the answer minus 5 and plus 5. In the solution set, we get plus 5 and minus 5 in the solution set. Clear? Now moving on to the next question, bete, question number 4. Question number 4, I'm dictating the question. Mod 1 over 3x is equals to 4. Mod 1 over 3x is equals to 4. Bete, mod 1 over 3x is equals to 4. Copy down the question. Mod 1 over 3x is equals to 4. First, we have to remove the mod. We get x over 3 is equals to plus minus 4. Plus minus 4. Right? Then what we have to do, bete? We have to draw the line here. like this. Just draw the line in the center and then write down the x over 3 is equals to minus 4 on the left hand side, x plus 3, x upon 3 is equals to plus 4 on the right hand side. Okay, very good. Abir, Sumaya, they have completed this question. Excellent, bete. Good job. Very good. Very good, Halima. Shabash. Okay, just after showing you the next question, bete, you all have copied this question, question 4. I'm going to show you the last question for today. Okay. Rida, very good. Halima, excellent, my girls. What about the boys? Boys are not sharing their answers. What happened to the boys? Jaykumar, Areeb, Umar. What happened? Sheroz. What happened, bete? So next question is on your screen. Question number 5. Question number 5. This is the last question we are going to complete. Okay. Now x minus 2 mod x minus 2 is equals to 6. Okay, Sanya, I am going to explain you again by showing the notebooks of these students. Okay, first copy down question number 5. Question number 5 is Sanya. Look at this question, bete. Question is mod x minus 2 is equals to 6. Students, this is question number 5. Okay, this is a question number 5. Copy down this question. That's great, Sumaya. Excellent, bete. Zabardast. Sumaya has completed this question within 2 minutes. That's great. Is it easy, Sumaya? Abir, great. Sheroz, okay. Let's check uh, the answers given by the student. Minus 8 plus 8, but Sheroz is saying that minus 4, minus 6. Abir is saying minus 8 and minus. Halima is saying minus 8 and 8. Let's check it out, beta. Here, Sanya, when we remove the mod, we get x minus 2 is equals to plus minus 6. Plus minus 6. Okay, then what we have to do, beta, then what we have to do, we have to draw the line. Okay, then we have to draw the line in the center. Then we have to write down x minus 2 minus 6, and then on the right hand side x minus 2 plus 6. Okay, now let me show you my notebook so that that's great, Rida. Now let me show you my notebook to you. So here I am showing you. Find the solution set of when the question is x minus 2 is equals to mod x minus 2 is equals to 6. But when we remove the mod, when we get x minus 2 is equals to plus minus 6. Am I right? Am I right? Then what I have to do, bete, I have to draw the line in the center. Okay, I have to draw the line in the center, and then I have to write x minus 2 is equals to minus 6, and x minus 2 is equals to plus 6. Then this minus 2 is over there, so which property is going to be applied? Adding. Okay, by adding 2 on both sides, comma, we get we get what? We get x minus 2 plus 2 and minus 6 plus 2. Okay, this minus 2 and plus 2 will going to be cancelled. So beta here, this plus 2, minus 6 plus 2, minus 6 plus 2. So we get negative number is greater, we get the negative answer. 6 minus 2 is 4. 6 minus 2 is 4. So here we get minus 4. Now again, here by adding 2 on both sides, comma, we get, don't forget to draw the line in the center. Okay, we get what? X minus 2 plus 2, then 6 plus 2. We get minus 2 plus 2 will be cancelled. We get x is equals to 8. We get x is equals to 8. So here minus 4 and 8. Minus 4 and 8. Okay, students, if I put this minus 4 over here in this question, if I put the minus 4, we get here minus 4 minus 2, minus 4 and minus 2 is equals to, what happened? Minus 4 and minus 2 within the mod gives you the answer minus 6, and mod minus 6 is equals to 6. That means it's correct. Okay, and when in this question you put the value x is equals to 8, Sanya, are you getting me? If we put here 8, so what will happen then? We get what? We get 8 minus 2 mod 8 minus 2 is 6. So mod x is equals to 6. That means we get the right hand side. That means our answer is minus 4 and plus 8. Minus 4 and plus 8. Hence, the solution set x is equal to minus 4 and 8. Okay. Kindly draw the center line with the pencil, and you can rub this line as well, write down in the end. Hence the solution set is equals to minus 4 and 8. Is it clear now? Everything is clear? So now let's check out here. Aisha, quickly show me your copy, bete. We don't have that much time. Quickly show me your copy. That's great, Sheros. Your answer is absolutely correct. Students, kindly open your videos, start your videos. I want you to share your videos. Asya, okay, Asya is there. Asya, this is question number 1. Exactly, it's correct. Everybody, just check out your work. Okay, Sanya, here I am going to explain question 4 by showing you Asya's copy. When in question number 4, when you remove the mod, you get plus minus 4 on the right hand side. So draw the line in the center. Excellent. We get x over 3 is equals to, beta, where is the sign of equal to? X over 3, Asya, x over 3 is equals to minus 4. X over 3 is equals to plus 4. Shabash. Now by multiplying, Sanya, 3 is dividing over here. So what we have to do, by multiplying 3 on both sides, we get 3 and 3 cancel, right? Here we get 3 fours are 12. We get minus 12. Is it clear? Sanya, write down in the chat box, is it clear or not? Now here x over 3 is equals to plus 4. Now again by multiplying 3 on both sides, this 3 will be cancelled. We get 4 3s are 12. So the solution set x is equals to minus 12 and plus 12. Sanya, is it clear, bete? First, we have to remove the mod. We get plus minus sign. Okay, then draw the line in the center. First, solve the negative part and then solve the positive part on the right hand side. Okay, is it clear? Now, Asya, show me the last question quickly. Perfect. Here we get minus 4 because negative number is greater. We get 6 minus 2, 4, and we get 6 plus 2 is 8. Now, everybody start showing your videos. Abir, show me your video, bete. Anamta, show me your video, bete. Quickly, everybody. Iman Rashid, Iman, Iman, show me your video. Kindly raise your hand, start showing your videos, bete. Afra, Rida, Hania, what happened, bete? Show me your videos. Rumessa, Shehroz, Shehroz, start your video, bete. Sumaya, what happened, bete? You are not sharing your videos. Is there any problem? Okay, Aisha Hassan is there. Aisha, okay, so there here you can see Aisha's copy on your screen. So here is Aisha's copy. Aisha, can you show me question number 1? Quickly, bete. This is the last minute. Last 1 minute. Okay, question 1. Hence the solution set x is equals to plus. Bete, first we have to write -5 and then +5. Okay, Aisha? Hence the solution set x is equals to -5 and +5. Make correction over here. Now, Aisha, show me the solution of question number 4. Yes, very good. Excellent. -12 plus 12. Everybody, kindly recheck your answers from this copy as well. I'm showing you here Aisha's copy. Very good. Aisha, show me the last question. Show me the last question, bete. Very good. So first, remove the mod. We get x minus 2 is equals to plus minus x. Then we have to draw the line. Then x minus 2 is equals to minus 6 and plus 6. We get x is equals to minus 4 and plus 8. That's great. So I hope that you will complete your work properly. Thank you so much for completing your work on time. Take care and Allah Hafiz.